Hello there! This video will show how Mage Data's intelligent subsetting feature works. The ability to generate an anonymized subset of data from production data helps us solve three major problems. The production data is too large to be used for testing. Generation of synthetic data is too complicated and does not reflect the nuances of real-world data. Developers often need a specific subset of realistic data to cover specific scenarios. In this demo, we're going to extract the subset from Oracle Production System to MySQL Development System. For instance, in this data model, we can weave our upstream and downstream tables for patients' visit data. There are various tables here, like a patient table containing patient personal information, a visit table containing patient appointments and doctor IDs, and a doctor's information table containing doctor's personal information, etc. In this scenario, we can consider the patient table to be a driver table, the visit table to be a downstream table, and the doctor information table to be an upstream table. Let's see how subset of data is moved from source to destination. Here, on destination MySQL, we can see that there is no data. Very often, for development or testing, only a specific subset of data is required. Let us see a use case where only a few patient records driven by a range of patient IDs is required on the destination. Let's view how to generate an anonymized subset using Mage Data solution. Upon login and selecting the Test Data Author option, an easy-to-use conversational interface guides the user step-by-step. The user can select to extract a subset of data from an Oracle source database, anonymize, and move it to a MySQL database. The data source will be requested by the system. Once the data store is validated, the process will connect to the source database. The next step will be to select the destination data store. Database identification steps for the destination data store are required. The system will validate the connection once the credentials are entered. Once all connections are established, the next step will be to select the masking policy that matches the compliance requirements. Here, we are choosing HIPAA compliance group as our masking policy. The UI will request if the user wants to extract all the data or just a subset. In our case, we have to provide the subset condition and a driver table. The driver table is the table against which this condition will be applied. Mage Data Solution will automatically identify this subset of records not just in the driver table, but across all your upstream and downstream tables. The user can also input the maximum number of records requested to be extracted from a single table. Once validated, the system will request a confirmation to proceed with the subset. Let's look at the results generated by Mage Data in the destination data source. Looking at the anonymized and subset data, we can see the process has brought 10 anonymized patient records and 20 visit records. Only the records related to these patients and visits have been fetched from the other upstream or downstream tables. Contact Mage Data for more information. Thank you.